Hey guys, welcome to Education for You. So guys, today again we will discuss 50 questions for PNRD exam, and as you know, tomorrow is the PNRD exam. So this is our last video for PNRD exam. Okay, so from today we will not give questions for PNRD exam, and we will start our series for APSC and Assam Police exam. Okay, so I hope you will like the video, and let's start the video. Question number 1. Which ruler is considered as Shivaji of northeastern India? Okay, so the ruler who is considered as the Shivaji of northeastern India is Rudra Singha. Okay, then who was the earliest known king of ancient Assam? So the earliest known king of ancient Assam was Mahiranga Danava. Tamasha is a famous folk dance of. So this dance is it's a folk dance of which state? It is a folk dance of Maharashtra. Then the Indus Valley civilization is associated with. So it is associated with Sumerians. First Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest 2 times was. So who is that woman who climbed the Mount Everest for 2 times? So she is Santosh Yadav. Okay. Next question. The British PM when India got independence was. So at that time when India got independence in 1947, so who was the British PM in England? So he was Clement Attlee. Then who was mainly worshipped in the Rig Vedic period? So in the Rig Vedic period, Indradev was mainly worshipped. Then the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with. So it deals with the list of 22 recognized language. Okay, so as you know, there are 22 recognized language in India, official language. So the 8th schedule of the Constitution deals with this language, this recognized language. Then philology is the study of, so it is the study of languages. Then the oldest form of composition of the Hindustani vocal music is Dhrupad. Okay, this is the oldest form of composition of Hindustani vocal music. Then Annie Besant was associated with which of the following? So Annie Besant was associated with Theosophical Society. Then the fundamental duties were added to our constitution for the first time when it was added to the constitution in 1976. Okay, first time it was added in 1976. Who was the Viceroy of India when the Rowlatt Act was passed? Lord Chelmsford. Okay, Lord Chelmsford was the Viceroy of India when Rowlatt Act was passed. Then which of the following day is observed on 1st June every year? So it is World Milk Day. It is observed on 1st June every year. Then who was first woman Congress president? So the first woman who became the president of Congress is Annie Besant. The Indus Valley civilization belonged to which age? So it belongs to Chalcolithic age. Then which era Kalidas belonged to? Kalidas belonged to Gupta era. Then which of the following state was the first to adopt Panchayati Raj? So it was Rajasthan, and the Rajasthan was the first state who adopt Panchayati Raj. Then the second battle of Panipat, it was fought in 1556 between whom? Between Akbar and Himu. Okay friends, then where are the famous Ajanta caves located in India? So it is located in Madhya Pradesh. Then Mahatma Gandhi Setu is built over the river. In which river? Okay, over which river it is built? Ganga river. Fatehpur Sikri was built by Akbar. Which sportsman birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day in India? So Dhyan Chand. Okay, so Dhyan Chand's birthday is celebrated National Sports Day, and he is related to hockey. Then which of the four Vedas is the earliest text? So out of the four Vedas that we have, okay, Rig Veda, Samveda, then Atharvaveda and Yajur Veda. First one was, means the earliest one was Rig Veda. Then what is the rank of India in terms of rice production? So in terms of rice production, India ranks second, okay, in terms of rice production, among whole world, okay, among the countries of the world, India is second. Then railway system was introduced in India in 1853. Which is the biggest port in India? It is Vishakhapatnam. Then Ramcharitmanas, it was written by Tulsidas. Who developed the WWW, means World Wide Web? It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Then at which place did Gautam Buddha delivers his first sermon? And the place is Sarnath. In which place world's largest Hindu temple is located? So it is located in Cambodia, okay. In the whole world, in Cambodia we have the largest Hindu temple. Then the Reserve Bank of India was set up on the recommendations of Hilton Young Commission, okay. On the recommendation of Hilton Young Commission, Reserve Bank of India was set up. And which is the longest national highway in India? It is National Highway 7, NH7. Then with which dance is Birju Maharaj associated? Kathak. Then the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress was Badruddin Tayyab. Who composed Sare Jahan Se Acha? Muhammad Iqbal. Who was the founder of Varman dynasty? Pushyavarman. Which is the first national park in India? Corbett National Park. Apart from Teachers' Day, 5 September is also observed as Sanskrit Day. Okay, friends? Then the only Asian through which the equator passes twice is Indonesia. Then Ugadi is a popular festival of Karnataka. Okay, it is celebrated in Karnataka. Name the author of the book, famous book, Cha Garam, the Tea Story. Arup Kumar Datta. The first telegraph line between India was laid between Calcutta to Agra. Then the Kamakya temple was rebuilt by which king? Naranarayan. India's first look east policy was started by which prime minister? By Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. The Gandhara School of Art is the contribution of Kanishka. The king nicknamed as Bhagaraja was Surampha. Okay, Surampha was known as Bhagaraja. Then madams are elaborate burial tanks of Ahom nobility and kings. Moidams. Okay, it is pronounced as Moidams. So in Ibn Battuta, the celebrated traveler, visited Assam in 14th century. And the last question is the author of Ashomiya Sahitya Buronji, and the author was Devendranath Bejbarua. Okay, so these are the 50 questions for tomorrow's exam. I hope you like it, and you whatever problem you have, or if you found any mistake in my in this whole description of the questions, just mention it below in the comment box. We will try to correct the mistakes. Okay, friends, so I hope you like it. So thanks for watching the video, and if you want the notifications, then don't forget to press the notification bell and subscribe the channel. Okay, you will instantly notified whatever we upload. Okay, so আশা কৰিছোঁ ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালে, আৰু মই আজি অসমীয়াত একেবাৰে ট্ৰান্সলেশ্যন কৰি দিয়া নাই, আপোনালোকে কোৱা মতেই মই কৰিছোঁ, ইংলিছতে কৰি গৈ আছোঁ। চ' যদি কিবা আপোনালোকে প্ৰব্লেম পাইছে, দেন জাষ্ট মেনশ্যন ইট বিল', আমি আকৌ নতুনকৈ কৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰিম। চ' আজিলৈ এৰিছোঁ। থেংক ইউ, হেভ এ নাইচ ডে এণ্ড অল দ্য বেষ্ট ফৰ টুমৰ'জ এক্সাম।